From the front door, this leads into the dining room, and just as I pan, you'll see the lovely bay windows looking out to the front of the street. As I pan around again, there's the front door, the small foyer here, and this then leads into the formal living room or whatever other use you may have for it. You see another big bay window. This is quite a large room that has many uses. Leading now into the family room, and just as I pan, you can see the breakfast room and the kitchen. Again, another big bay window. Nice ornamental piece on the mantle, some shelving. This is a wood-burning fireplace that has been cleaned, so it's in good shape. Walking across to the back windows, we're looking into sunlight, but you can see the woods behind us, the deck. As we move into the breakfast room, you can just see the amount of natural light. There's the slider that goes onto the deck. Another nice feature is the tiling here for where you would put your dining table, your breakfast table. Coming over to the planning desk, refrigerator,